Hi Runworth, I hope everybody's safe and well at home. Miss Dawson's turn to do a little bit of learning with you all. So, I know that you've had some maths and I know that you've had some English, and if you did look today on the website there was some science as well from Miss Black. So it's going to be my turn to set some work for this week, and I thought that we'd look at somebody whose name you might have heard of quite a bit of. So this is the person that we're going to look at. I hope it comes up the right way around in the camera. We're going to look at Florence Nightingale. Now you might have heard her name quite a bit. We've heard about the Nightingale hospitals that have been set up to look after people who've been poorly with coronavirus, and we're quite lucky really that those hospitals have not been full. That's because people have been doing a really good job about staying safe at home and keeping our hands nice and clean and doing our best not to spread that awful germ. So I thought that today for our learning we'd do a little bit of looking at Florence Nightingale and who she was. On the website, Mr. Daines has put two different things up for you to watch. There is a cartoon version, okay, of Florence Nightingale's life, and that is good, but it's not gruesome, okay? This one, maggot alert, okay? This is a film, and this might be a little bit better if you're a bit older, or if you wanted to do some work that had a few more harder words in it, or if you're not put off at the sight of maggots. All right, I've watched both maggot alert given, okay? So when you've watched that film, what I'd like you to do is to make a mind map with facts about Florence Nightingale. So you're going to need a piece of paper. I've got an A4 bit, and in the middle I would like you to draw a thinking cloud. Can you see that? For what you're thinking about. I better put my specs on for the writing. We are thinking about Florence Nightingale. So I'm going to write her name in the middle in pencil. I like doing writing in pencil. There's her name. Okay. And when you've watched that video, I'm hoping that you will be able to tell me quite a lot of facts about her life. So then your thinking cloud will have facts on it joining onto those little legs. If you want to, when you've made your thinking cloud and you've put down all your thoughts, you can colour it in. The other thing that I'd like you to do is, with another bit of paper, I would like you to make me a book about Florence Nightingale. Now this could be a book for you, or it might be that you want to make a book that we could perhaps share with next year's Year 7. So a book for somebody younger than you. Think carefully about the words that you're going to use and think carefully about the pictures that you're going to draw. I'm going to show you how to fold a piece of paper to make a book with pages that flick over. So the first thing you're going to do with your piece of paper is fold it really carefully in half on the edges. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to do is put the corners together and fold your piece of paper into 4. Give it another squeeze that way. And then the next thing, so we've got 4 bits now. We've got the long ways fold and we've folded it in half again. And then the next thing we're going to do is fold that in half again. So now we have to pinch it quite hard to make that mark there, and pinch down the side there. So when I open it up, I should have 8 rectangles on my piece of paper. Then what you do is you fold it in half the other way and get some scissors, and you are going to chop it just to there. So I'm going to cut up the middle fold just to that first mark there. Ready? If you don't feel confident with the cutting, then ask someone at home to help you with it. What that means now is when you fold it back long ways, it's got a hole like a beak, and if you fold that into the middle and press, you should get a book with pages, so you can have a front cover. I hope you're going to put a name on and maybe a really good picture of her, and then you get some contents pages that will turn like the pages in a book. If you've got big paper at home, and I've got a couple of bits of A3 but they've been squashed up in my school bag, then you can do the same thing, fold it in half, fold it in half again, fold it in half again and cut it. If you've only got lined paper at home, it doesn't matter, that might be helpful actually, because then you might have some lines to do some writing on, or squared paper. It really doesn't matter what you're writing on, because I'm sure that you can do beautiful handwriting and you can do some beautiful decorating of your pages of your book. Okay, so you choose with your family whether you would like to. Let me just show you again. Look at the video of Florence Nightingale. That one is for you if you are interested in quite a few words, and if you don't mind looking at some maggots, or you might want to watch the cartoon version of Florence Nightingale. There are definitely no live wriggly maggots in that one. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing how you get on with your mind map to show your thinking about Florence Nightingale and what you know, and your little book where you can tell me some facts about her life. I'm going to have my hot Rinto now. Okay, so you do some work and I'm looking forward to seeing how you all get on with that. Take care.